डिफरेंट लगती हूँ आई थिंक विदाउट मेकअप, बट ओ सी मिरर में कैसी दिख रही हूँ, ew. बट क्या हो गया था, मैं बहुत टैन हो गई थी when I had gone splits पे, so my complexion changed. So without makeup I did not look that good, because yeah, I wish I was someone who could, yeah.
No, you're very pretty. Picture ठीक
Even
किया तूने?
you're
अच्छा
very
आया?
pretty, stop it.
Picture अच्छा आया?
बहुत अच्छा. तुझे कुछ बताना है, वो वापस केविन अमलासिफर कुछ लिख रहा है तुझे, that fake account.
Yeah, stop it.
Who are you guys? Who are you, dude?
Stop it.
Someone is
चलो
saying
कुछ
yes
अच्छा लिख
because
दो.
bro, listen. Cat, someone replied to the fact that like they can't afford my makeup वाली बात पे. Yes, because we afford from our money. इसकी तरह बाप का पैसा नहीं उड़ाते. Bullies.
Guys, Nikki is just 20. She turned 20, okay? And वो कहाँ पे आप लोग देख रहे हो? That's why you're joining her live right now, right?
Like I
so,
don't even know.
I don't think that
I don't
you
even
have...
know who you guys are.
Exactly. So let's not talk about that. उसने खुद भी किया है, and that's why she is where she is right now.
Someone saying
Stop
Nikki बाप का
shaming.
पैसा उड़ाना
It
बंद
is-
कर. And उस इंसान का यूजर नेम है fully feminist. I don't think someone who is a feminist would talk like that. Also, hi
And the
Nikki, I
reason,
miss you.
and the thing is, the reason that your mom and dad earn money or work so hard so that your kid can have a better life, right? So उसमें क्या
Absolutely.
problem है? Even if she is like pampered, so what? So what? I don't see any problem in that. And सबका lifestyle अलग होता है, and it's okay. Like you guys have to stop saying just because
Like,
what? Like she likes pink and stuff.
स्नित्जिल का भी लाइफस्टाइल अलग है अभी.
हाँ,
I want
look,
his lifestyle. अब मैं क्या
exactly.
करूं?
Exactly. और मेरी जेरी पड़ी हुई है कहीं कहीं.
Oh, I miss Jerry. यार मुझे बता दे. I'll go pick Jerry up or something.
नहीं, I'm planning. No, I'm going. But I'm hoping that I get a ticket tomorrow.
Yeah, please come back. I can't like survive here anymore.
Man.
Now like
Yeah, I
बहुत हो
know.
गया.
I miss you so much. The reason that I want to come back is because I'm missing you a lot, and I'm like.
I miss you too. तुझे कुछ बताना था मुझे, bro.
मुझे
Oh
बताना.
my god.
ऐसे ओके ठीक है, बताएंगे, बात
बाद में
करेंगे.
बताऊंगी इससे. कैट सबसे सुंदर, सबसे serious.
सबसे सुंदर सब है. आप सब सुंदर हो. You both are gorgeous.
Everyone's
Thank you.
beautiful.
Yeah, everyone's beautiful in their own way.
Yeah.
सब अपने अपने जगह में सुंदर है. Nikki man,
Someone
you're
is
so
saying
cute. She's the
Palak
cutest.
is pretty too.
Cute.
Yeah, Palak is very pretty.
Yeah, she's very pretty. लेंस नहीं लगाती है तो ज्यादा pretty लगती है. I like her natural eye color more than
Yeah,
her
she's
lens.
so pretty.
मैं उसे
यार.
बताती थी उसे. Yeah.
She's really
Yeah,
pretty.
I used to tell her. Yeah. Lol, none of you are pretty. That is not true. When you call us pretty, then we can be like, तब बोल सकते हैं कि हाँ, thanks. Okay, we're not that pretty. But then when you say we're not pretty, then I will get offended.
That's like a
because I know
lie.
that
We
my
know that's a
mama
lie. Like, come on.
made us
Don't.
really pretty. Yeah. Thanks to my mom. Okay. So
Yeah.
yeah. That's
Hi
a lie.
Joshua. Hi.
Kat and Nikki, best. Yeah, we are the best. Actually, Nikki, you and I am like the bestest together.
Yeah. We're the best together, I think.
Yeah.
अकेले sad है हम.
मेरी आईडी नेटवर्क अच्छा नहीं है.
Is her video loading? Okay.
हाँ. Is my video loading? It's yours, no?
No, I think मेरे में problem था, so I turned my Wi-Fi off. Guys, Snitzel is acting weird. उसको कुछ हो रहा है. Look,
Oh
he's
God.
wiping his face after eating food on my pink mat, not on my pink mat. No,
Stop
Snithiya.
it. Oh God.
He's wearing a tie also.
Oh, he's the cutest. कितना प्यारा है.
मिस कर रहा है तुझे.
तूने कहाँ शूट किया? रूम पे शूट किया? बाहर शूट
नहीं,
किया?
घर पे तो बिल्कुल शूट ही करा. टेरेस पे करा एंड टेरेस को छोड़ के नीचे थोड़ा बहुत. Trevon is saying stop reading hate comments and crying. Keep the life fun. We're not crying, dude.
We are having fun. We read hate comments and we laugh.
We have
Isn't
fun.
that the...
It just makes us happy to see people hate us.
Just feels like you're doing something right, you know?
Yeah, exactly. Because we don't even have an idea about the people who are hating on us, you know?
Yeah,
हम
so
जानते
it's
भी
okay.
नहीं है कौन है.
This is another fake ID होता है.
Yeah.
With 1 follower, 0.
Lol, Nikki, stop faking your age. Lol, do you want me to show you my Aadhaar card?
Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport.
Bro, this has been going on for
Guys.
so long. They're like Ace of Space पे भी 19 थी. Ace of Space पे I had just turned 18. Ace of Space 2019 में था. I'm 2001 born. And I turned 20 recently. So I'm not 19. I'm not faking my age. I think I'm going to post my passport, my Aadhaar card, my PAN card, all of it right now. So you guys can shut the fuck up for once. Because that's really fucking offensive.
No, it's okay, baby. It's okay. Doesn't matter.
Bro, all these fucking people, like it's getting too much, man. Like, oh, like she is faking. Why will I lie? मेरे age के बारे में यार. If I'm even 30, मैं बोलूँगी I'm 30. There's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong with being 30. There's nothing wrong with being 50. But if I am not, why will I lie about my age? They're not, and they have been crossing the line. 2-3 साल से चल रहा है ये, and now enough is enough. I swear to God.
Yeah, please. Enough is enough.
Someone is saying, Nikki, whom do you support, Salman or Kevin? They both are my friends. They both are as close. What is whom do you support?
Yeah, that's nice. Do you know
He looks so
Suraj?
cute.
Yeah, Suraj is my friend. He's my very good friend. Cat. And I asked you for blue lace. Whom will you buy for? What?
What? You want blue lace? Send us your address. We'll send it to you.
I won't. Nikki will. Sorry.
You won't send them blue lace?
No, I won't. खरीद लो guys बाहर जाके.
हाँ यार guys. पता है नीचे जो the place ना where you get all the groceries shit. मेरे घर के पास यार लेस ही नहीं मिल रहा है यार वहाँ. I'm so damn sad. It's some अलग brand का chips जो same lace का fake
When is your
taste है.
YouTube video coming? Next YouTube video we have to plan something really cool. So maybe
Yeah,
next YouTube video I don't know. Give us something. मुझे लग रहा है मेरा YouTube channel में निकी और कैट बना दूँ.
यार you know your next YouTube सुन ना. Cat, अपना next YouTube video make something like like you're getting drunk and getting ready, you know? Just the stuff you do,
Okay,
you know? Like you've got yeah, you're doing your makeup, picking what you're gonna wear and stuff. It'll be fun. It can be like a 4-5 minute video, a short video.
Okay, let's see. Let's see. Guys, बताओ next video क्या होना चाहिए? Kat, I've been following you since India's Next Top Model. Thank you. That is really sweet of you. Thank you.
Aww.
Nikita की idol match Kat है. मेरी प्यार है.
I'm sure though. Network problem, dude. मेरा network problem आ रहा है.
अगर friendship में भी कोई idol match होते लड़की लड़की, then Nikita would be my idol match.
100%.
Yeah.
Oh,
I love you.
You both are very pretty and mature. Love you.
Okay. Nikki, you look like a Barbie. You are a Barbie, Nikki.
And Kat looks like a doll.
We are like what?
Oh God. Is there a problem with your internet?
Barbie
Is there
doll.
a problem with your internet or my internet? You can't see me clearly, kya? Is it her internet or my internet, guys? Please tell me. किसके इंटरनेट में प्रॉब्लम है? I am not understanding. Should I just go? She left. I think because there was like a problem in her internet. Oh wait, Sam is here. Samarthya is like, how come you're live today? Yeah, I just felt like coming live. Inspired by you only. I'm adding Sam. Sam, join now. I'm gonna add Cat again. Kat. Have you ever been to Assam? Cat has been to Assam. Sam. Oh, it's you. I was Sam को भी add करा. Sam आज नहीं आ रहा है. He's showing us attitude.
Oh. तेरा क्या इंटरनेट स्लो था?
तेरा था कि मेरा था? अभी ठीक है. मेरा कैसे आ रहा है?
हाँ अभी ठीक है. Kat, you don't even know Assamese and you know nothing about Assam. So why the fuck you say in every reality show that you are from Assam?
Because she is Assamese.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Stop saying. I get really offended. Stop saying
Yeah,
that.
that's really offensive.
Are
You
you?
can't tell a person that.
Yeah. Stop it, guys. Like, my mom is from Assam. I am from Assam. I am very proud to be Assamese. So just because I don't know how to speak doesn't mean that you like.
Yeah, and nobody gets to question
lost,
anybody on where they're from. Agar she says she's from Assam, why would she lie?
Stop
If I
it.
say I'm 20, why would I lie? Like, we get nothing out
And
of
don't
lying,
use your
but I guess
effing
you
word
guys
with me. Stupid ass. Just get so annoyed
saying,
when someone says that
it's
to me.
damn annoying. I can't. I literally can't. But I'm like, we get nothing out of lying, but they get a lot, I guess, out of just hating on us, you know?
For what? Like, for what reason? Just because I said that I'm from Assam, I am from Assam. So what?
Yeah. They have a problem with everything, yeah.
Yeah, everything.
If
Dude,
you're
like,
not
chill the fuck
also
out in life.
Yeah. If you were from Assam and you would not tell people you're from Assam, then that's bad. If you're telling people you're from Assam because you're from Assam, that's bad. Like everything
Yeah,
her cheese ke
I
saath.
am. The reason that I write, I am from Assam in every reality show because I'm very proud to be an Assamese. Okay, so that's the reason I write, and I want all the girls from Assam to feel proud and to know that कि वो भी कहीं platform में जा सकते हैं और इतना कर सकते हैं. So it's nothing wrong if I want to represent either if I want to represent that my dad's side or my mom's side. It's none of your business.
Exactly.
So just
That's
leave me
her
the F alone.
choice. Wherever she
Yeah.
feels like she connects more, like to whichever place. Sam, I'm adding you. Come now. How do you add, यार?
हाँ.
Add कैसे करते हैं इसमें?
नीचे ऊपर वो ऐसा है. ऊपर
एक वीडियो वाला जो मार्क है.
नहीं ऊपर तू जहाँ तेरा नाम है ना उसके साइड में you can tap and then you can just write someone's name.
Okay, yeah, I found it.
Yeah, and then just write Sam.
Sent successfully.
And the reason me and Nikita connect so much because I think we both are like our moms are from Assam.
Yeah, and our moms are also best friends now.
Yeah. Yeah.
And they keep talking in Assamese all day long. Yeah. Somebody is like, you guys are sluts. So I want to say this. Can you guys not slut shame anybody if you guys don't like us? Does that make us sluts?
You're
If
still,
I don't like someone,
yeah.
that person turns into a slut. It doesn't work that way. So you guys should be
And
a little
honestly,
careful with your
if you
words.
think, if you think that is even like offending, like or making me upset somewhere, guys,
We don't
it
care.
doesn't. I don't give a
We
fuck
really
about
don't
your
care.
opinion. I don't give a fuck about what
Yeah.
you say, okay? Because you are the one who is. So let's.
Writing
You're
stuff
still
on our
watching our
live.
live.
Yeah.
Yeah,
While we don't even
exactly,
know about your existence. So good luck with that.
exactly. Good luck with that. And I'm in a really good mood today, so no one can.
Yeah.
Don't even think about it, okay?
Yeah, even I'm in a good mood, yeah.
Yeah. No one can. The cat's idol match apart from the Pune gangster. That's true. That is true.
Is there a problem with my internet or what?
Yes, your
Can you see me clearly
cat
now?
ka net issue. People are saying cat's issues. I don't know if it is my net problem or it's
I
yours.
don't know actually, yeah.
Okay, maybe
मेरा
sorry,
भी
मेरा
जाता
नेट का भी
रहता है.
प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. मेरा भी हो सकता है. I'm sorry guys. गोवा में बहुत प्रॉब्लम है अभी.
Everyone is
There's
saying
no.
cat, 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 cat.
Hi. Hello.
She's like, hi.
Sorry. No, I don't wanna. No, I'll order later. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Thanks. For food, mama. Yeah, it's okay.
I think somebody's telling me that the problem is your brain. That's not offending me, yeah. Guys, you guys can abuse me as much as you want.
Keep
And
trying. Keep
I
trying. You know you
makeup
are
ki
unhappy.
dukaan.
We know.
Makeup
We
ki
know you are
dukaan.
unhappy. If that makes you feel better, it's okay. Keep trying.
Yeah, I don't know. Why do they
Uh,
even join our lives अगर उनको कुछ बुरा बोलना है? Like, don't join ना.
because they are unhappy people.
Jobless.
Who just jobless, unhappy,
तूने
who just loves doing all this shit and they
I swear.
feel good about themselves. That's what they do.
Babe, you know
And it's
what?
okay.
I'm
They
saying
love.
कि did you see Samruddhi's story?
No?
जिसमें Samruddhi was like,
Sorry,
some
I'm
of
busy.
y'all, whoever hate on us, like, you guys should go and get jobs. And I'm like, that was so apt. Go see it if you haven't seen it yet.
नहीं but dude अभी this COVID time ना तो सबका job तो नहीं है तो क्या कर सकते
Yeah,
हैं.
but this COVID time can be stressful for a lot of people too.
Yeah, I
And
know, but they
I'm
are
just
also
like,
jobless now, so we have to just understand that because their
but they
job
are
is just
jobless.
to
We are used
write
to it.
shit. Yeah, but that's
But there are
what their
people who
job
will
is, to
really
come
go
and
through things,
write
and
shit.
people can go through things. People can
Yeah.
go through a lot of things, and you guys should really be a little sensitive towards, like, we are fine because we're used to it. But next time you guys hate on someone, just think once or twice
No
ki
one
maybe
is,
their mental
no one is,
state.
yeah, no one is fine about it. But then when I think about it, ki, why would someone, like, even if I don't like someone, I will not have that much time to go and write
Yeah,
something
I don't
and say you're
understand that. Like,
ugly or I hate you or you're this or you're that. You
but
you hate it, just leave them. Then just don't be
absolutely,
there.
like, just get the fuck out.
Yeah,
As simple as
just
that.
block, ignore,
Yeah, just like,
whatever. You don't
don't
have to
look at
like.
us.
It's like if you have nothing good to say, don't say
Don't say
anything at
anything
all.
at all. Wow,
Exactly.
sister. And I was about to say something like, we can't help it that you guys are like so obsessed with us that you guys don't like us. That's cool. But
Today's live is gonna be very funny, guys. Whoever is
babe, you
enjoying,
know what? I met
I
somebody
love you. But
today.
who is not? Who?
I
Somebody?
met somebody today. So basically while I was shooting on the terrace, there was this one girl.
Yeah.
Okay, she came to take a picture with me, and she's like, "I'm a huge fan. Very sweet girl, damn cute. She was
Yeah.
very sweet." She tagged
Yeah.
me in that picture. When I scrolled above, she's abused me and called me rundy slut and everything. 3 days ago, and the same girl came to me to take a picture today, and I'm just like,
That's what I'm saying. Now that's what
I
people.
still love you guys though.
Yeah, I know. People are like that. That's
I'm
what
just
I
like,
always.
oh god.
I know that. You know, a lot of time what happens is the people who are writing shit to you, if you see them somewhere, if they see you somewhere, they're gonna be like, please, can I take a
Yeah,
picture?
yeah. Like
Yeah,
you want a
so-
picture, but you also want to call us a slut.
because they
Why
just
do you
want
want a
to
picture with a slut
themselves
then?
feel good. Nahi, it's not about us. It's about them. You understand? It's not about कि हम पे क्या problem है. It's about them. They have a problem here.
This live was
And
so
it can't be
random.
fixed. Yeah, I know. we are like haters के साथ हम chat कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, I think we've never chatted before. I'm
Yeah.
trying to add Samarthya,
What's up?
guys, but वो join नहीं कर रहा है. मैंने 3 बार add करा. I'm adding him again.
Someone
I
is
don't know
saying
why.
Assamese are super cute. They are the cutest. My mom is the cutest. Nikki is the cutest. Nick's mom is the cutest. All the Assamese people that I know is the cutest. Are the cutest.
But Snitzel is an Assamese now.
But somewhere I think he is Assamese.
He
no?
is, yeah.
Yeah, now because he lives with
Guys,
me.
listen. I mean,
Yes.
cat. Somebody saying, check it out. Nikhil is blaming you, cat, on his live video. We don't follow Nikhil for us to know what he's talking about.
It's okay. Blaming me for what?
We don't know. Tell us or like DM us or send it to us.
No. Blaming me for looking so good.
Yeah. I can't with you, yeah.
Oh God, I can't. Today,
Mat
I
kar, yaar.
cannot.
Mat kar.
Stop
Mat
it.
kar. Stop it.
मेरे पाँव देख रही है इधर देख मेरे छोटे से
So cute.
Trevon is
Why
saying
you
my
like
mom is
this?
from Assam too. Then your mom is the cutest. Okay, Trevon?
Trevon, क्या बोल रहा है?
Nikki, your eye is too blessing. Yeah.
Okay.
Too blessing
Thanks.
you are. You are too blessing, Nikki.
I don't know what. Oh, I have to tell you something so funny today.
I know,
Me
I
and
know,
my
I have to
makeup artist, we were tripping on something really funny, something regarding splits only. I'll tell you.
Okay. Cool.
Sam is like, my auntie is from Assam too.
That's nice. See, कितने
Sam.
आसान जरूरी थोड़ा ना सबको आना ही चाहिए. मुझे हिंदी अच्छे से नहीं आती है दूध.
And my ideal
मेरी हिंदी
connection
एक गंदी है
also.
इसलिए.
Your Hindi is the best, cat. Okay.
My Hindi is so stupid.
Oh, you know what have I done?
I don't
I'm
even
such
know.
a dumb person. Listen,
What?
मैंने क्या करा तब से मैं जो
What?
समर्थ्या को रिक्वेस्ट भेज रही हूँ मैं इसको रिक्वेस्ट नहीं भेज रही मैं अपना लाइव बार बार उसको मैसेज पे भेज रही हूँ
Oh God, Nikki.
I just noticed I'm like it's going sent आ रहा है How do you send a request यार
Means ऊपर है ना option ऊपर ऐसे tap कर then write his name and then it says send a request.
नहीं है ऊपर ऑप्शन मेरे में नहीं आ रहा है वही तो the thing oh invite to join It says only one guest can be in your live video ये क्या new Instagram का rule आ गया
Okay, that's so weird now. Okay.
Yeah. Sam is like, yes, your toes look cute, but be careful. Just make sure you hide them. You'll get all the creepy guys sending you messages like send feet pics.
Whoever have a foot fetish.
DM cat. We're just kidding, huh, guys?
Oh God.
What a random live this is.
This is very random. Just like us. Nikki,
Dude,
I know why.
listen.
मुझे पता है तू
Listen
लाइव
now.
क्यों आई है because you wanted to utilize your whole makeup and
Yeah, I
everything
wanted
and
to.
अरे
I
makeup
wanted to,
करने
but
आपके
I
लिए
have. You know me so well. Listen, I have to tell you something. Yada,
बोल
yesterday when we spoke, I told you some stuff. I'll tell you
okay
after this.
okay हाँ बाद में बताना
Today I
रात
spoke
को
to
जब
the.
बात थी
Today I spoke
रात
to the
को
same person for 4 hours.
ah that's nice
There was like no one was
should I
stopping.
cry
Yeah, anything new? कुछ
Yeah,
नया
yeah.
ला रहा है.
God.
So are you guys friends with anyone in Wild Villa?
Piyush.
Yeah,
सपना
Piyush.
सपना तो of course अपनी Splitsvilla है. Splitsvilla she is. Piyush से कभी कभी बात होती है.
Sweet है Piyush.
Yeah.
Someone is saying played being a fake friend to Avantika.
What?
We played being a fake friend to Avantika.
अभी
We or
guys.
me, I don't know who, but
Oh.
we don't want to talk about it because
Everything. दुनिया में सब कुछ आप लोगों को फेक ही लगता है. It's okay. Sometimes it happens. आप विला में रह रहे हो 30 days के लिए. I think Avantika was my closest friend. Nikita भी नहीं थी मेरी closest friend.
नहीं.
I used to be with Avantika all the time.
All the time, like all the time, she was there for Avantika, like 24/7. She would not, we would not even talk. I was the closest to Samruddhi.
Exactly. Samruddhi
Yeah.
and Nikki,
Yeah,
they were
Kat and I
best
were
friends.
not best friends on the show. We became best friends outside the show.
Exactly. So Avantika, after coming out from Splitsvilla, हमारी hardly बात होती थी और कुछ था नहीं बात करने के लिए. So it's okay, guys. कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि for me, friendship
People
is
can
not just
fall apart. Maybe
I
you guys.
don't. Yeah, and the thing with me is not like having 100 friends. For me, it's about if my friends are adding any value in my life, or if they are doing something in my life. I just don't want to randomly like make friends to count कि वो मेरे 10,000 friends हैं. वैसे तो मेरे पास ढेर सारे friends होंगे. The reason that I keep saying that I have like hardly 2-3 close friends because I don't like to just have like 10,000 friends. बस बोलने के लिए कि मेरे इतने सारे friends हैं. So yeah.
Quality over quantity.
Exactly, and that's okay. कभी-कभी नहीं बनता है चीजें. हर चीज fake नहीं होता है. Just because, like I'm sure तुम लोग के बहुत friends होंगे जिससे तुम लोग ने बात करना बंद कर दिया होगा, या तो नहीं किया होगा तो शायद maybe you guys just like I don't know. But बहुत लोगों का होता है. मेरे real life में मेरे ऐसे बहुत सारे friends हैं जिससे मैंने बात करना बंद कर दिया. Who are like my closest friends. So it's not just because of the show. It's नहीं जमता है. Dude, मैं INTM में थी. कितने मेरे friends बने. I was close to a lot of girls there. But show के बाद Urvi is my only closest friend जो show पे friend भी नहीं थी मेरी. So it is what it is.
Yeah, and even my scene with Avantika ऐसे क्या होता है जब आप किसी के साथ बहुत अच्छे friends बन जाते हो, you know you become very good friends, you give the tag that you guys are very good friends. कभी-कभी क्या होता है you guys just don't get along. Maybe आपको उनकी कोई आदतें नहीं पसंद है, उनको आपकी कोई आदतें नहीं पसंद है. So that just can happen. Now Kat and I knew each other show पे भी, show के बाहर. Now we know each other. Train जा रही है background में guys. So Kat got the joke, but I'm just saying कि so it's possible for a person who you call your friend. कभी ऐसे हो सकता है कल future में Kat doesn't like something about me, I don't like something about her, and if Kat or me हम दोनों में से एक वो चीज बार बार repeat करता रहता है, so then it triggers the other person and drives the other person away. That doesn't make it fake, or that doesn't make another person evil. You get it?
Yeah, exactly.
Someone is saying they are jealous. They are jealous of you in real life because they can't reach where you are. You guys are ruling million hearts. Thank you.
Nice. Thank you. That's really sweet.
I'll tell you some questions तेरे लिए.
हाँ. तू जब ऐसे बोलती है मुझे डर लगता है कि कौन से
नहीं अच्छे क्वेश्चन भी तेरे लिए अच्छे क्वेश्चन चुनूंगी. Don't worry.
ठीक है.
How positive Kat is. She is.
How positive.
Nikki and Kat, my faves. Love you both. Diane of the Villa. Thank you.
Thanks.
What's your favorite color?
Blue, white, yellow.
Guess
And I
mine
like
now.
pink. Yeah. But first is blue, white, sky blue, white, and yellow.
Guess mine.
Pink. निकी का
Then
easy है guess करना. अगर
nowadays
निकी का कोई बॉयफ्रेंड हो तो निकी की बॉयफ्रेंड को चीजें खरीदने के लिए कितना इजी है. Pick up all the pink shit and then
याद तुझे
give it
याद
for
आया ना कुछ इससे? कुछ याद आया
या
इससे?
मुझे आया याद आया. Exactly, it's the easiest thing to do.
Have
Pink.
you gotten vaccinated?
Nikki, oh God, Nikki, talk about
Yeah,
it.
but everyone should get vaccinated. जब भी the vaccine is available, everyone has to stay safe. So yeah. Then
I want to get my done.
Nikki and Kat, आ जाओ तू मैं आसमान में ला चलूं चांद को उसकी औकात दिखाने.
अरे वो पता है वो टिकटॉक वाला वो है. आजा मैं तुझे आसमान ले चलूं चांद की औकात दिखाने. समझ लग रहा है. So funny, it's cringe है बहुत ही.
मैंने नहीं देखा. मत कर मत कर.
मत कर यार, please stop it.
ज्वाइन कर लो. कैट ज्वाइन कर लो. आसमा का हूँ.
क्या ज्वाइन कर लूं?
I don't know. Nikita, who are your friends from ASF Space? Salman, Trevon, Prakriti, Shruti, Yash.
बैठ जाइए मामू, कोई नहीं चलेगा. इधर इधर तक हूँ मैं.
Are you guys friends with Shivam? I'm cool with Shivam. Kat,
Yeah,
on
friends.
the other hand.
I'm cool with him. Not
Yeah,
friends.
she's
I won't
cool.
call him friends. We friends मेरे लिए ऐसे friends नहीं बन जाते हैं. Just because Instagram में कोई किसी को follow करता है doesn't mean that we are friends.
Exactly.
Because
That just
friends
means
never.
we each other.
Yeah, I think show के बाहर होते तो I don't know. show के बाहर होते तो मैं बोल रही हूँ friends हो सकते थे, but not sure about that. और show के बाद भी it just after saying so much, after doing so much, you can forgive each other, but I don't think that you can I don't think that you can just be friend all of a sudden. So yeah, for me, I really don't mind whatever he said. It was a part of the show. Whatever I said, he knows that. So yeah, उस way में we have just forgive कर दिया एक दूसरे को, but yeah, we're not friends.
Makes sense. Nikita acts fake. Period. I don't. Period.
Yeah, exactly. तुम लोग को सब कुछ fake ही लगता है.
हाँ. Cat, you're glowing. Cat is so cute. Hi, Cat Kevin. Kevin नहीं है इधर. Dude, so we have a very cute fan page, okay, Cat? It's called Precious X Nicat. So
I know.
she's saying that describe each other in 3 words. Should I go first?
Yeah, okay, go first.
Okay. Beautiful, kind, and loyal.
Okay. Nikki, I think Nikki is such. I honestly feel
3
that.
words.
नहीं, मैं लंबा बोलने वाली.
You have
sorry.
3 words.
No, I can't.
That's
I can't.
rule.
I'm just saying. Okay, Nikki is very kind. She's very kind. Okay, like she's such a good friend, and of course she's very fun. I love being around her, and she's super beautiful. She's beautiful in and out. Like I know that a lot of people.
That's
ऐसा
like
होता है कि a lot of people take it, you know, but it's like a lot of people, you know, when they see you on Instagram, they just like judge you because of the way you are or the way you talk, the way you dress up or whatever. But as a human,
or even
she's
the way I'm
she's a bit, yeah, and I completely understand. It happens a lot of time. Like a lot of people जो मुझे भी real life में मिलते हैं ना, they're like, oh my god, I can't believe you're like this in real life, you know. So it happens. But yeah, as far as I know about Nikki, she is the sweetest and she's very kind and
Why are you
I'm
so
very
cute?
grateful. I'm very grateful that I have you, baby.
I'm so grateful too. This life is like all about us haters and appreciating each other.
Yeah, exactly.
Lots of love
And
from
we
my
do this every day, actually, not just here. हम
yeah
5 घंटे फोन में बात करते हैं.
यही
Talking
करते
about
रहते
the
हैं
same
हम.
thing.
Listen, babe. Yana, her name is Yana. She's saying, "Wish me, guys. It's my birthday. Happy
Hi, Yana. Happy
birthday.
birthday.
God bless you."
Yeah.
I don't hate anybody. Just being true and giving reviews, being a regular follower of the show. I think this is one of our hater. जिसने हमको सुना दिया अभी बोल रहा कि हम hate नहीं कर रहा था क्योंकि we
No,
called
it's
him
okay.
out.
It's okay. No, it's okay. I honestly feel कि ठीक है, guys. Like अपनी अपनी opinion डाल सकते हो, कोई problem नहीं है. But don't say it in a way that hurts someone. And imagine like आप लोग के लिए 2 सेकंड लगता है comment डालने के लिए कि oh you're a bitch, you're this, you're that. But we receive that a lot every day. And imagine you guys, तुम लोग का तो 2 followers होगा शायद Instagram में, और वो भी तुम fake account बना के वो करते हो, तो तुम्हें कोई hate नहीं मिलता है. But imagine you going through the same shit every day. Okay, like इतने सारे comments, इतने हर दिन तुम्हें
Yeah.
सुनना पड़ता है. It's not easy for anyone. And no one deserves that, no matter whatever they are.
No
Like,
one
no one
deserves
deserves
that.
that.
Like, I would not
And
even wish that upon
yeah,
someone I don't
just
like.
be thoda, yeah, like guys, just be thoda sensitive or thoda human
Kind.
ho jao. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
like
just
yeah, it's just so kitne
and
baar
वो भी
explain करोगे?
hating
But yeah,
because of a reality
it's
show.
not like I don't like. It's not like I really don't care the time, when I go through my DMs and I see all these hate comments. I just block because I don't give a fuck about them.
Yeah,
But the
same.
thing is that
People go
it
through
just
stuff.
it just gets in your head. You're like,
Yeah, and then you think
why
कि
would
maybe
this
you are that
person?
person, you know?
Yeah, it just like you have to just be kind. And if you have
Absolutely.
nothing, you hate someone, and if you have nothing good to say, again, don't say anything. Just leave, block. Don't check their profile.
Yeah.
But
Just
तुम लोग
say
को like
goodbye to them and block them. The fuck right now.
तुमको देखना भी है, तुमको follow भी करना है. You wanna also copy, you wanna do everything, but
Yeah.
then you want to hate for what? Just because your life is unhappy, just because
And
you
then
are.
when you meet us, you want a picture and you tell us you love us.
No,
What?
and the thing is like, and like I think कभी कभी ऐसा लगता होगा कि okay, I'll put someone down and that will make me feel really good about myself. It won't. It won't make you feel good about yourself, and it won't help. It's better, like, instead of like writing 5 nasty comments on someone, just try to be more kind and just like say some good shit to you. Just wake up early in the morning and say that I'm kind and I will not do this and I will not hate on someone today. It will change a lot of things
What do
for
you get out of it? You guys get paid to hate on us? पैसे मिल रहे हैं?
नहीं मिल रहा है ना?
कमा रहा
It's
है?
free.
Like, no,
Like,
right?
to be kind, do you have to spend money? Do you have to spend money to be kind? You don't have to, right? So you can be kind. It's free. It's free of cost. So just be kind. Yeah. And if you don't want to be kind, just don't be mean. Simple.
Absolutely. Someone is saying something funny. Someone is saying, I'm your boyfriend. What if your mom knows? His username is nerd15. हमको भी नहीं पता था अभी तक. So cute, yeah. I can't.
Yeah.
Both are my favorite and very pretty. Please say something about Avantika. So I think she's a very good person. She's very sweet, and I wish her all the best. I hope she achieves whatever she wants to in life, and I have no bad feelings for her. How about you, Kat?
Yeah. She's a very sweet person. I won't say. See, the thing is that I think जब हम show में connect हुए थे, she's from a like शिमला से आई है, इतने बड़े platform में. It's a big deal, and I am very proud of her that whatever she's doing right now, everything is just it's amazing. And I
She
have
was so good
zero
on the
hate
show.
for
She was
anyone.
so
Okay,
strong.
guys, yes, the thing that you आप लोग को हमेशा ये लगता है कि किसी ने किसी को अनफॉलो कर दिया तो वो हेट करने लगते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है, ठीक है? दैट्स नॉट द रीजन. The reason that like मेरे लिए Instagram is more about things that I wake up in the morning and see, and is that making me feel good about myself, or is that doing anything in my life? And if it is not, like if I wake up early in the morning and see Nikki's videos or Nikki's face, I'll be like, oh, my baby's looking cute, or oh, this is cute. Or if I'm following some traveler people, I'll be like, oh my god, I want to travel someday and do this, do the same cool shit, you know. Or following some friend who's doing something really great, it makes me happy. But people who are not that important in my life, and if I look at them and I don't get inspired or don't get nothing out of them, I just don't want to, and that is okay. Like that's
her choice.
Exactly. So
but that
it's
doesn't
not
mean
that
she
I
hates
hate.
her. She
I
has
have
love for her.
no space in my life to hate anyone. I either care a lot or I don't care at all.
Oh, you're so cute.
There's no hate. Yeah. There's no hate at all. Hate is a big thing. It takes a lot of, it's a lot. It takes a lot in your like lot of space in your heart, and I want to fill my heart with a lot of love, not hate. So yeah.
You're so cute.
आज का लाइव सेशन है हमारा हमारा ज्ञान.
नेट स्लो चल रहा है.
Sorry guys.
Some people are just asking us, what is Sam doing? What is Kevin doing? Like, how will we know? We don't. CCTV camera हमने लगाया हुआ नहीं है उनके घर पे कि हम देखते हैं हाँ. We're monitoring what they're doing.
We can just tell you what are we doing.
Yeah.
We're sitting in our room, talking to you guys. That's what we are doing.
Yeah.
So बाकी लोगों का पता नहीं है what they are doing. So you have to ask them.
Yeah, ask them.
But I'm sure they're doing very good in their life. That's the only thing we can talk about. That's the only thing that we can say. They're happy and they're doing good. Thanks.
Someone is saying the way you two praised each other. Oh, not someone. Precious Nikat only. Our face. She's saying the way you two praised each other in your VDs. Crying face, heart face. Yeah, we talk about each other so much.
Yeah. We like to talk about each other.
Someone saying they really liked your video with BU Nick.
Oh, thank you. That's so sweet. Yeah.
Someone saying I love you, Kat.
We were planning to make another video together, but then ho nahi paya. But anyways, hopefully someday again we'll work together. He's the sweetest guy. Yeah.
Dude, it's very funny comment. I'm gonna read for you. अबे यार, someone saying अबे यार ये Indian है कौन? कह दे cat, please यार Indian looks में आया करो तुम.
Indian looks. मैंने अभी लहंगा मंगाया guys.
हाँ लहंगा. ओ मैंने भी मंगाया.
लहंगा मंगाया. क्या? ओ मैं बोल रही cat. निकी और cat ट्रेनिंग करने वाले हैं.
फिर हम लहंगा में लाइव आएंगे. लहंगा पहन के भी
लाइव. हाँ. तो जो भी Indian brands है, hit me up, send me lehengas.
Yeah, please send us Indian clothes. मुझे जरूरत है. Also, it's my cousin brother's wedding, so I need to get Indian stuff for that as well. तो free में भेज दोगे, so it'll be cute.
Dude, मेरे पास एक Indian कपड़ा नहीं है. एक भी. I don't even remember when was the last time. बस shoot पे मैं Indian पहन लेती हूँ.
हाँ तो कोई बात नहीं. collab तो भेज देंगे. बहुत सारे. I'll send you one more brand.
There's a lot of like brands who are sending me stuff, and it's really cute.
Yeah, I can't wait for so much. I shot for 2 brands today, but
I'm coming to you, Nikki, soon, and then we'll shoot together.
Come now, please. Yeah, I'm sad. You both have a good dressing sense.
Thank you.
Someone is saying
tickets are booked, baby.
Oh my god, so you'll be traveling.
Day after. Okay, day after, yeah. So day after.
You're very pretty and cute, cat.
Thank you. You're very pretty and cute. My mom is saying thanks to mom.
I love you, auntie. You're cute.
Love
You're
you.
cute. Well, that's right. Cat, same experience in the morning.
What?
I did not understand.
Same experience in the morning. What?
Someone
The
saying
morning
catnik
sickness?
forever.
Huh? Yeah.
Catnik forever.
Forever and ever.
Do you like catnik or nicat? Because that fan page of ours is precious nicat.
I know.
And
So
catnik
it's
also
so
I
funny
like.
because I like Nick Cat because it's a N-I-K, then
Yeah, and then
completes.
it continues.
Yeah.
So I think nicat. Guys, like if you guys
Nicat.
want to ship us as best friends, obviously.
Yeah.
I think nicat, we prefer nicat over catnik.
Yeah. Yeah. Cat Nick. No. Nick Cat is good.
Yeah.
Nick Cat.
Someone is saying, hi cat, you're very pretty and you're my favorite.
Thank you.
Catnik are the best. Guys, nicat.
Nick Cat.
Bro, nerd. Listen, na nerd 15, the guy who said वो हमारा boyfriend है, कह रहा thank you for saying my name. But I'm sure your name isn't nerd 15.
Nerd 15.
Nikki, I'll give you a dare. Add Sam. यार मैं add कर देती, मेरे को आ ही नहीं रहा है करना. Some problem. Dare की जरूरत नहीं है. Someone is saying Nikki is a bully, Nikki is a bully, Nikki is a bully, Nikki is a bully. Okay, whatever you guys think. I can't keep defending myself.
Thanks. हमारे पूरे ग्रुप को बुली बोलते हैं
हाँ,
वैसे.
हम सारे गंदे हैं. If someone says आप अच्छे नहीं लगते हो, cool, मैं गंदी हूँ. Our group is bad. सब कुछ गंदा है. Don't support us. Simple.
Okay.
End it there. Don't need to keep telling us.
A lot of सुन मुझे इस पे बात करना था.
I'm ready.
तो मैं बहुत टाइम में comments देखती
Pep talk.
When you guys are like writing a lot of shit like ऐसी है ये तो ऐसी है इतनी गंदी है she's a bully. What are you? You're writing all these things. तुम कौन हो? तुम bully नहीं हो. That is like internet bullying. Okay?
Hypocrisy.
So you need to stop first. Yes, exactly. Before pointing out, दूसरे पे ऐसे point out करने से पहले ना खुद को देख लो and then write that comment saying that कि I am a bully. You understand? Right? I am a bully and you are too.
Yeah. I'm a bully and you are too, so we're twinning. ऐसा कुछ
So we are twinning. Exactly.
So मैं उसको repost करूँगी.
Easy है ना बोलना ऐसा. Just because we have done a show and हमारे profile में आके कुछ भी comments कर सकते हो. So it's just so easy. But then you guys are bully too. So how does that make you any better? Just sinning in a different way वाला scene हो गया ये तो.
Nikita, you look like a churel. Why you like this, yaar?
हम लोग
I love being this way. Don't look at me. Simple.
Yeah, stop. You guys are bullies. See, तमीज भी नहीं है बात करने का. चुड़ैल कौन दिखता है?
चुड़ैल की फोटो में आज स्टोरी पे लगाऊंगी. Guys, best.
Oh God.
Nikki ordered spicy momos. No, yaar, not after that day.
I can't wait to have some momos, man.
Padma Bhushan award goes to Cat.
For what?
For being so good. So a lot of people are requesting you actually to take a picture in a mekla chadar.
My mom is smiling here because she said yesterday that Nikki and you should actually wear
yeah.
And
a lot of people, I've read 5-6 people saying कि
मेरे पास है नहीं.
मेरी मॉम के पास है. Come back.
Cool, we'll take one picture together.
Do you know Carrie? Yeah, I watched his videos. Funny guy. While sleeping, why are you doing makeup, Nikki? No, I just got done shooting for something, so.
Yeah.
Someone is saying came here just to see who has more Insta views. Listen, to see who has more Insta views. Lol, boom bam gang. Because there must be 4-5 people coming now.
Oh, okay. It's okay, guys. That's our life
It's
is not
okay,
for
and views
our
don't
life
matter.
is not
We can
for
have one
competition
view
right now.
and we can have one person
We're
watching us
talking to
and
each
हम
other.
उसमें भी खुश होते हैं.
हम खुद को वीडियो कॉल करके ऐसे बात करते रहते हैं जहाँ दो लोग नहीं दिख रहे होते हैं तो
So it's fine, guys.
You understand?
इतने चीजों पे we don't feel bad
Yeah.
about such stuff.
Yeah. And there's so many people loving us and writing things, and that's enough.
Yeah. So we love you guys.
जरूरी नहीं है every time it doesn't have to be numbers की.
Yeah. और हम बातें भी तो कुछ controversial नहीं कर रहे हैं ना. We're talking about random stuff.
Random shit.
Can you please Hindi? I mean, I think he means to say can, or she means to say please talk in Hindi.
Yeah. Speak in Hindi, Nikki. It is specially for you.
बोल तू बोल ले पहले.
तू बोलना सीख ले पहले.
तू बोल.
मत कर यार, मत कर.
You're troubling me.
My nails, look at my nails.
They look really nice. You got them done?
Dude, it's my real nail. I'll slap you.
Oh God, they look so nice. Oh God, they look
just
damn
file them.
good.
Nice. Yeah.
You can just file them and like
paint them in some nice yellow nail paint.
Someone's saying Kit Kat. Kit Kat. Someone's calling Kit Kat.
Kit Kat. Knit Cat.
खाएगी तू Kit Kat?
हाँ?
Kit Kat खाएगी तू?
हाँ, मैं Kit Kat खाऊंगी. क्या यार निकी बकवास बात कर रही है तू?
The way you said it.
मैंने आज इतना अच्छा शूट किया ना, 1 घंटे में मैंने 7 changes किया है.
Wow, that's so fast.
Yeah, and it was raining so bad, so I was like,
oh God, that's so fast. मैंने 1 घंटे में तो नहीं करे. मैं तो पूरा मेकअप बदल रही थी मेरी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट. कभी पिंक आई
तुझे पता है ना मेरा शूट कैसा होता है, पता है मैं ऐसे कर लेती शूट एंड देन आई एडिट एवरीथिंग. मेरा ब्लशर लगाना है.
But that's so cool. Yeah, even I should do that. उससे जल्दी हो जाता है. You save time.
Yeah. और मेरा ज्यादा मेकअप में I don't really look good. Like my makeup is.
You're pretty the way you are.
लिपस्टिक लगा लो और एडिटिंग कर दो बस. एडिटिंग की जिस दिन मेरे लाइफ से ऐप चला गया ना तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा.
No, you'll still be pretty. Please say my name, Vani. Someone saying hi, Vani.
Hi, Vani.
Someone is saying कि are you both high?
Yeah. In life.
No, yeah, guys.
We are life में है हम high.
Cat, you are so cute and mature.
Thanks.
Someone saying, oh, come on, girls, need some positivity.
Yo, we all need.
Yeah. जो बोल रहे हैं दूसरे को वो खुद ऐसा होगा. Exactly.
Yeah. So it's okay. It is fine.
Nikat, when will you be together? Soon. She's coming back tomorrow mostly.
Yeah. नहीं परसों.
Cat, do you have siblings?
Yeah, I have a brother. My older
Trevon
brother.
is saying Nikki looking like dessert.
You are.
You guys
यार तो हमेशा यही सब करते रहता है. हाँ
सबके लाइफ में वो भी ये भी नहीं कि एक या दो लोग के लाइफ
में बोलो. हाँ यार
this is bad यार Trev.
Stop it.
दो परी.
परी.
Where is
आज हमने
Gary?
यहाँ पका दिया
किसी
होगा
ने
ना
लिखा
बैठ
है
के।
हमको Where is
हाँ?
Gary? घर पे होगा ना?
घर पे बैठा होगा, जिम कर रहा होगा।
Yeah, he even started that Kratos thing, na? It's going well.
Yeah.
So I'm so happy for him.
Yeah.
Cat talk in
Good for
Hindi,
him.
please.
हैं?
Cat talk in Hindi, please.
मैंने क्या, मैं तो हिंदी में बात कर रही हूँ।
तो शायद the person means opposite करो.
क्या करूँ? तेरी ट्रेन जा रही है, ट्रेन
Opposite
पकड़ ले निकी।
ट्रेन पकड़ेगी तू?
ट्रेन पकड़ ले,
तू
पकड़ ले तुझे।
अरे तेरे YouTube वीडियो में साउंड आ रही थी पता है ट्रेन की. I
हाँ.
heard.
No, it's okay. It was so cute. It was the cutest video.
You guys are the sweetest. I'm gonna cry. Cat, you're so cute and beautiful.
Thanks.
Cat, where did you get your necklace from? Someone's asking.
This one, I will check. I'll check and I'll write the name in somewhere. I'll post a picture. I forgot. But I think it's a brand from London. I'm not really sure. When I was in London, I just got it from there. But यहाँ भी मिल जाएगा. हमारे इंडियन ब्रांड्स भी बहुत ही अच्छे हैं.
या कैट
Kind of
आप लोगों को अपना दे देगी, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
ये मेरा फेवरेट है और एक ही है.
तो नहीं
स्प्लिट्सविला में वैसे मैंने अपने स्प्लिट्सविला में मैंने अपनी इतनी सारी चीजें घुमाए हैं ना गाइस.
मैंने भी यार.
मैं बैठ के रोती हूँ बस उसे याद कर करके मेरी चीजें.
My girlfriend's name is Nikita. I loved her so much now because she
यार
has
कुछ sad चीज नहीं
similar
होना चाहिए.
name as you. Sad
Okay.
मत हो यार.
Yeah. Sad से बात मत करो guys please.
Don't be sad. खेलेंगे हम.
खेलेंगे हम साथ में सब.
हम सब साथ में.
हाँ, हम सब साथ में खेलेंगे.
Someone is saying, don't shoot with this makeup, Nikki.
शूट खत्म हो गया guys.
नहीं, don't shoot मतलब कोई शूट साथ में मत कराओ मेकअप निक्की के साथ.
क्यों?
मेरा नाम किसी ने लिखा है यार.
ओह, कुछ समझ नहीं आया मुझे क्या बोल रहे हैं but yeah.
Someone saying, why you even live? Just call each other and talk ना. नहीं वो कर लिया था हमने but अभी हमको लगा
यार guys, what do you want? Okay, tell me what do you want us like
live नहीं आएंगे then you guys will say कि live नहीं आते हो.
क्या लगता है तुम लोगों को लाइव में जाके क्या करना चाहिए? Like we should be performing full dance ऐसा या singing competition या क्या करना चाहिए? Because we are reading comments right now. We are not even talking to each other. Like I'm literally sitting here like this, like sleeping here, and then Nikki is reading comments and she's replying to each and every one of you. Like problem man.
Yeah, Cat. So one of my friends called Rohan. He's saying, hey,
Yeah.
Nikki, doing an amazing job in Splitsvilla. Thank you.
She is. She's the best. She's doing the best.
All right.
All right. All righty. This is not Sex and the City. You know?
Have you watched Sex and the City?
उसमें है. Oh God, it was my dude. मैंने पूरे क्वारंटीन में Sex and the City देख के वो किया.
I love that show. Oh my God, I love Carrie and Big.
Watching the whole. I know. I actually, to be honest, I never liked Carrie that much because she was just too toxic, no?
She's a little annoying, but even Big was pretty toxic. Yeah?
Yeah, that's true.
Big
was
toxic.
Yeah. But they're cute. Cute.
Nikki, you have a great dressing sense, but I think you should work on your hair. Yeah, I'm planning on doing something weird to my hair,
the thing
guys.
is, I think you know what happens a lot of time when you have long hair, no? So style करना बहुत time लग जाता है.
Yeah, like I asked Kat, she curled my hair like twice or something. It took like more than an hour, yeah. So we would not have that much time to even get ready.
एंड यू गाइज वोंट बिलीव, तो हम डोम सेशन के लिए जब रेडी होते थे ना, मैं रेडी होके निकी के पास जाती थी एंड निकी स्ट्रगलिंग बिकॉज उसके बाल नहीं बने हैं, उसके
मैं फिर
मेकअप
क्या
नहीं है,
करूं? And then they were like, they did
and
not
she's
want me to
crying
straighten
and
my
I'm
hair.
like, oh
I'm
god,
crying, yaar, give us more time. We need more time. All that stuff.
and then I'm like, okay, I'll make your hair. मैं उसके
बेचारी,
hair
even you never
बनाती
used to
रहती
get ready. तेरा भी पूरा बचा होता था, तभी you used to help me.
हूँ।
You were great at India's Next Top Model.
Thank you. That's where it started.
Someone is saying, why don't you put a story for going live? This was a very random live. मैं ऐसे ही आ गई. I thought 5 minutes के लिए I'll come, and then she joined.
क्योंकि कुछ प्लान नहीं हुआ होता हमारा कि आके क्या बात करें. I think when कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट बात करना होता है तो then it's I think a good idea. But जब रैंडम ऐसे कोई फैन से ऐसे बातें करने हैं, आप सबसे बातें करने हैं, तो आई डोंट थिंक जरूरत है. जिनको ज्वाइन करना है कर लो, यू नो. जरूरी नहीं है कि हमारे लिए टाइम बनाओ और सब कुछ छोड़ दो और पढ़ाई मत करो और लाइफ